went to a restaurant and the food is so good. I am happy because my family and me is complete. The happy moment that I am with my family is we went to a beach and we had so much fun together. I am grateful because we have food and we have a allowance that is can last a week. I am grateful for that. Me and my family went to went to Manila and we visited my ninang and university. We have fun together because my ninang have a child and we have great her and good her. Namatay ang aking asawa na si Zulu na nakasakit talaga yung nakakaya kasi naglalaro talaga ako. Namatay ang aking alaga na karahawin, dalawa sila, si Ben at si Rose. Walang patawa kasi malapit ako nalunod sa malapit. Muntik na. Walang patawa kasi malapit